Hey everyone, it's voiceover Rosie here. We're doing something a little bit different today, but don't worry, we're still going to make a collage. Well, we're going to make two collages. What? That's a spoiler. Forget I said that. So, first thing, obviously, is we're looking through a book and I found this landscape that I really loved. So, I pulled that out. And this is a book I just got pretty recently, and actually, it smelled really, really bad. I got it used from a store and the smell was just awful. But I persevered to find some cool things. So I also found this um, moody sky, like, oh my God, incredible. So I pulled that out. This book, just in general, has so many cool images. Look at all those. I was like in awe the entire time, and that's why I could get through the smell because so many good things. Okay, this turtle eating a cactus, I fell in love so hard with this little guy. I just like, oh my God, absolutely, I'm in love with that. So I had to pull him out. These were the only three images that I found on the first pass of this book. And I honestly wasn't really feeling like the turtle worked in either of them. One was way too busy and one was just not the right mood. So I pulled out some things that I cut out a few days ago, like this rainbow, this chameleon, a wrench, and this tractor. Oh, there's also a galaxy. And I was kind of thinking that the tractor and the rainbow went together. I thought it would be kind of funny if the tractor was sort of driving and it was leaving behind a rainbow. And they were kind of just like the perfect size, and I thought that they would fit well together. I was hoping that these would work well on this background, but ultimately I just thought that it was way too busy and it just wasn't standing out the way I wanted to. So I opened up a new book to try to find a different background. So looked at a few things, but then I found this. Pretty sure this is the Grand Canyon, and it's actually perfect. The background is like bland enough that the tractor stands out, and I was hoping the turtle would fit right here, but it just didn't quite work. And then I realized the chameleon was the exact size, and his legs were just in the right exact position for him to fit perfectly on the curve of this ledge. So I cut him out, and he just fits perfectly right there. And I think that he balances out the tractor really well. So now there's sort of like two bigger elements sort of playing off each other. And so the next step was sort of trying to figure out where the rainbow was going to come out of. There was this bush here, which I didn't really want to cut near because I just thought that that was going to be messy. And so I decided on this rock, which was actually like the exact perfect width of the rainbow and fit it really perfectly back there. And so once I got that cut out, it just worked really well, and the tractor fit on the page really nicely. And I'm just pretty happy with how this is coming together. But there's one thing that would make this look even more professional. I thought if we cut out the windows of the tractor, which was just, let me tell you, extremely tedious, but I really just thought it was going to take this into a whole new level. I really just thought that if you could see through those windows, it was going to make it feel like it was even more there, and it was just going to add that level of polish that I think it really needed. And yeah, I'm really glad that I did that. It was a lot of work, but I'm glad that we did that. Now, I'm done with this collage, but I could not stop thinking about the turtle. So I dove into my box of stuff that I've cut out and never used for anything, and I pulled out two galaxies and some other cactuses, and this, I don't know what this is, a crystal sculpture of some kind. I think I found this in like an interior design magazine. But I don't know, I kind of thought that that would maybe tie the turtle into the galaxy a little bit more, give it a little bit of sparkle. But I thought maybe it needed more sparkle, so I took out these gems, which I actually cut out in a few videos ago, and didn't use them all in that video. So I was like, well, maybe if we add more bling, that will make it even better if it sparkled more. I think what you're sort of seeing here is that it maybe is detracting a little bit from the turtle. It's cool, but I think it's just not the vibe I was going for. So I tried this bed of gems, which also wasn't quite right. So this mushroom that I found, I thought worked because we needed to put the turtle on a little pedestal. We needed to elevate the turtle from the ground. And I also just thought that it kind of fit really perfectly on there. And I think that it tied more to the natural theme a little bit better than the gems did. These cactuses I tried to use because it would tie back to the cactuses that the turtle was with, but that ended up not working. Again, I'm trying the crystals again. This is actually not too bad. I really wanted to make those work, but ultimately, I thought we needed to go back to nature, back to earth, and that would kind of tie the whole piece together more. So I found this like tiny sliver of the earth, which actually, um, fit on this piece of paper pretty well. Again, I really wanted to use the gem, so I'm trying, but it just it just wasn't fitting in with the whole composition. It was taking away too much from the turtle, just too much going on. And I thought the earth I had here was a good size, but I actually found one that was like a touch smaller. And when I cut that out and looked at it, I actually thought that this fit like just a little bit better than the other one. I don't know, there was something about it that I just thought fit a little bit better. Oh, thinking about gems? No, 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 no more gems. So the next step was to cut a little hole for the mushroom to fit into. I think that this just makes the collage just like feel a little bit more put together when you have pieces sort of intersecting with each other. And actually, if you notice, the turtle is in the front of the mushroom and the cactuses are in the back. So that just makes it feel even more real. And so that's that collage, and I ended up loving that too. So I pulled back in the rainbow tractor and this cactus mushroom collage, and I'm just so happy with how both of these turned out. I think that they're both fantastic, and I'm very happy with them. So that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this little bit different of a video with just a little voiceover. And I hope that you liked the collages. Let me know in the comments if there's one that you like a little bit more than the other. I think that I like the turtle one a little bit better just because I completely fell in love with that turtle and I want to marry him. He's so incredible. Anyway, I will see you guys next Thursday for another collage video. Until then, have a good one. Bye.